to my custom shape tool, Photoshop shape. As you can see here, Photoshop has lots of presets. You can also use your own shape if you want to create one. I have a tutorial on creating shapes if you want to check it out on my channel. So while holding Shift and Alt, I'm going to drag out my shape, and Command T I will use to transform it to a size that I like. I'll grab my pointer tool and position it, and if I want to give it a little bit of a rotation, I'll hit Command T and turn the corners a bit to rotate it like a stencil. So once you have your shape in place and filled in, hold Command and click on the shape layer, and that should make a selection of your entire shape. And then go to Layer, New Layer, and grab your rectangular marquee tool, right click on your shape, and select Inverse. At this point you can hide your shape layer because we don't need it anymore. Now we can begin filling in our outline that we've created. So grab your brush tool, and we're going to use a large and soft brush, hardness at 0%. And you want your brush to be about 3/4 of the size of your shape. So I'm going to use 470 as the size of my brush. And turn the opacity to about 50% and blending mode of normal. And just start circling in and stenciling in your shape. Try to use different amounts of clicks in different areas so you get an uneven stencil like filling of your shape. You can even adjust the hardness of your brush a little bit to get different hardnesses and opacities around your image. As you can see here, I'm filling in the corners a little bit differently with a smaller brush. To add the size to a large amount, such as your original 400 or whatever works for your shape, and just circle around your image. As you can see, that adds a nice grainy texture to your paint. Once you're happy with the amount of stenciling you've done, you can just deselect with Command D or right click deselect,